So here we are at the end of our 3 fins. This is what it looks like. Okay, so what we're going to do is cut the string, leave a tail. Okay, leave a tail, cut the string, and just pull it through so it's done. Like that. Okay, so those are fins. Now let's move on to the body. Okay, so here we are on the body. For the body, we're going to begin by doing leaving ourselves a 6-inch tail. We're going to do a slip knot. Then we're going to chain 14. Okay, then for round 2, we're going to chain 1. We're going to ignore this first chain. We're going to work into the second chain. We're going to do a single crochet. And then we're going to do a single crochet in each of the remaining 13 chains for a total of 14 single crochets. Turn our work over, we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 3 single crochets. So this chain 1, ignore that. In the first single crochet, which is the next stitch, a single crochet. In the next single crochet, we're going to do a single crochet. In the third single crochet, we're going to do a single crochet. And in the fourth single crochet, we're going to do 2 single crochets. So essentially, we're going to increase. Then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 6 single crochets. Then we're going to do 2 single crochet in the next single crochet, so another increase. And then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 3 single crochets, which will bring us to the end. And then we're going to join our thing together into the first single crochet here, like this, with a slip stitch. And that's going to form a circle. Then, for round 4, we're going to chain 1. Put my stitch holder in. And then I'm going to do a single crochet in the next 6 single crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 4 single crochets. 4, and then we're going to do chain 3, and then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 6 single crochets. 5 and 6. Okay, and then into this first stitch of the round, we're just going to do a slip stitch. For round 5, we're going to chain 1, and then do a single crochet in the next 5 single crochets. And then we have our chain 3 loop. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 single crochets and a chain 3 loop. So we're going to do 10 double crochets inside this chain 3 loop. We're going to skip the first single crochet of the 4 single crochets. We're going to do a single crochet in the remaining 3. And we're going to do 10 double crochet in this chain 3 loop. And we're going to, then we have 6 single crochet remaining. We're going to skip the first single crochet, work directly into the second single crochet of the 6, and do a single crochet in there. And then we're going to do 4 more for a total of 5 single crochet until the end here. Okay, so here's my loop, 10 double crochet. Now we have a single crochet here, which we're going to skip that one, do a single crochet into the next, a single crochet into the next, a single crochet into the next, then we have our loop, 10 double crochets into there. Then we have 6 single crochets. We're going to skip the first one, work into the next one, and do 5 single crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that'll bring us to the end here, where we will do a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round. Okay. So that's what our piece looks like so far at the end of round 5. For round 6, this is what we're going to do. We're going to begin with the chain 1, and then we're going to do a single crochet in the first 5 single crochets. And then we have to find the single crochet that we skipped in the previous round. So here it is. If you pull it, here it is, this big hole right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from the behind here, from the back. So hold your hook like this. Insert it into the scale from the bottom up into that hole, like that. Okay? Then you're going to do a double crochet in there. Sorry, so yarn over, insert it again, like that. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And we're going to create a double crochet, like that. Okay? Then you have your 3 single crochet. You're going to do a single crochet in each of those. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, you have 4 single crochet. You're going to do a single crochet in each of those 4. Then we're going to do the same thing. So this next fin, or this next scale, we will pull it down, find the single crochet that we skipped from the last round. So here it is. Pull the scale down, do a double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook into the scale, from the bottom up, find that single crochet and put your hook into it, and then complete a double crochet in there. Then you have your 5 single crochets. We're going to do a single crochet in each of those. And then in the beginning stitch of the round, we will do a slip stitch into there. We have finished round 6. So for round 7, this is what your piece should look like so far. For round 7, we're going to begin with a chain 1 and do a single crochet in each of the 16 stitches all the way around. Okay, so here we are at the end of row 7. This is what our piece looks like so far. This part here is the back. We're going to attach the tail to it, and we're starting to build from the back to the front of the head. Okay, so at the end of round 7, we're going to slip stitch into the first stitch of the round. Now for round 8. Round 8, we're going to chain 1, and we're going to do a single crochet in the next single crochet. Then we're going to do 2 single crochet in the next single crochet, which is an increase. And then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 2 single crochet. And we're going to do 2 single crochet in the next single crochet, which is an increase. And then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 6 single crochet. And then we're going to do 2 single crochet in the next single crochet. And then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 4 single crochets. And then into the first stitch of the round, we're going to do a slip stitch. And then we're going to do a chain 1 for round 10. Okay, sorry, for round 9. So for round 9, after we do our chain 1, we're going to do a single crochet in the next 6 single crochet. Then we're going to chain 4. And then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 4 single crochet. And then we're going to chain 4. And then we're going to do a single crochet in the next 4 single crochet. And then we're going to chain 4. And then in the final 6 single crochets, we will do 1 single crochet in each of those. And then we will join into the first stitch a slip stitch. And then we will chain 1. That's for round 9. So for round 10, after we do a chain 1, we will do a single crochet in the next 5 single crochet. And 5, see, we have our 5th one right here, and then our loop. Okay, so inside our loop, we are going to do 16 double crochets, and then we will skip a single crochet and do a single crochet in the next 3 single crochets, 16 double crochets, skip the next single crochet, do a single crochet in the next 3 single crochet, then we have our 3rd loop, 16 double crochets in there, then we will skip a single crochet and do a single crochet in the last 5 single crochets until the beginning here again. Okay, so here I am, I did 5 single crochets, now I'm at the loop, I will do 16 double crochets in there. 16 double crochets. Now I will skip this stitch and work into the next 3, a single crochet. Then I'm at my loop again, I will do 16 double crochets in here. Okay, then we will skip the next stitch and we will do a single crochet in the remaining 3. Okay, then we're at our loop again. We will do 16 double crochets in this final 3rd loop again. So there we have it, 16. Then we will skip the next stitch and we will do a single crochet in the remaining 5. And then that'll bring us to the end. Alright, we will do a slip stitch into the next stitch. And then there we are. So here we are on row 11. So for row 11, we're going to begin with the chain 1 again. And then we're going to do a single crochet in the first 5 single crochets. And then 5 will bring us to here. Okay, so you can see, and then it begins with our double crochets, right? 5 double crochets, right? So in the 5th one here, we do our single crochet, and then we're at our fin. So just like previously over here, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do a double crochet into the first skipped single crochet from the previous round. So we're going to fold it down, yarn over. So we're going to find where that double crochet was, that skipped crochet was. So if we look, we have 1, 2, 3. It might be covered. There it is. See, if you pull it, you'll find it right there, right here. That's our skip single crochet. Okay, so pair double crochet. I'm going to find that stitch again. So when we fold it down, we're going to find that stitch again. There it is. Okay, so once again, we're going to, once we fold the fin down, insert your hook, yarn over for double crochet, insert your hook into the hole of the fin from underneath, and then push it up onto that loop like this. onto that skipped single crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2, and complete a double crochet like that. Okay, then we have our 3 single crochet. We're going to do 1 single crochet in each of those. So we're going to take our hook from the front to the back this time, complete a single crochet like normal, 2 and 3. So after we've done our 3 single crochets, we can notice here that we are back with our double crochets, right? And we're going to repeat for the same thing for the next 2 scales. Okay, so we're going to find this stitch that we skipped, pull it through. There it is. Okay, here, yarn over, get ready for a double crochet, find this stitch, there it is, insert it into the fin from the bottom up and poke through that stitch, and then complete a double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Then we have our 3 single crochet again. We're going to do a single crochet in each of those. Take the hook, bring it to the front, to the back like normal, a single crochet. The next one, single crochet, and the third one, a single crochet. And then if we check, we'll notice that we have our first double crochet right there, and our single crochet there, that we've completed a single crochet on top of that. Okay, so our third scale, same thing. Let's find this stitch, there it is. Okay, there it is. And we're going to push the scale down, yarn over, bring it from the bottom up into that final single crochet that we skipped. There it is. Yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, pull through 2 for a double crochet. And then we have our 5 remaining single crochet. We're going to do a single crochet in each of those. And then we're going to finish it off like normal with a slip stitch into the first stitch of the round. Okay, and there we go. So your piece so far should look like this. Okay, the scales are pushed back. You've got the bum here where the tail is going to be, and we're slowly morphing it to the front. Okay, there we go. So now let's work on round 12.